Well, good morning, parents and students. So, here is the reading tutorial for this week that you can use to help you to read your reading assignment. Okay, so here I got two parts, English and Indonesia, and I'm gonna start from English first. Are you ready? Let's go. Number one, do you like to ride a bike? Do you like to ride a bike? Number two, can you wipe the table now? Can you wipe the table now? Number three, there is fire inside my house. There is fire inside my house. Number four, the boy can dive into the pool. The boy can dive into the pool. Number five, there are five little ducks. There are five little ducks. Number six, I bake a cake for mom today. I bake a cake for mom today. Number seven, we save the cake for later. We save the cake for later. Number eight, Dave lives in a cave near school. Dave lives in a cave near school. Number nine, he hates the same old game. He hates the same old game. Number 10, I am late for the date today. I am late for the date today. Number 11, his name brings fame to us. His name brings fame to us. Number 12, the lime is on the pine tree. The lime is on the pine tree. Number 13, it is time to ride my bike. It is time to ride my bike. Number 14, I bite the kite with my teeth. I bite the kite with my teeth. Number 15, I like 9 dimes in my box. I like 9 dimes in my box. Well, that is for English. And now I will continue to read bahasa Indonesia. Kita akan membaca kalimat dalam bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1, ada banyak lebah di rumah saya. Nomor 2, semua heboh karena harganya murah. Semua heboh karena harganya murah. Nomor 3, saya sangat lelah bekerja di sawah. Saya sangat lelah bekerja di sawah. Nomor 4, lihat rumah itu hampir roboh semua. Lihat rumah itu hampir roboh semua. Nomor 5, kuah sop itu gurih, harum, dan enak. Kuah sop itu gurih, harum, dan enak. Nomor 6, kursi surya warnanya sangat biru. Kursi surya warnanya sangat biru. Nomor 7, harga kurma itu cukup mahal sepertinya. Harga kurma itu cukup mahal sepertinya. Nomor 8, sumur itu sangat lebar dan besar. Sumur itu sangat lebar dan besar. Nomor 9, saya suka sekali mendapat jamur bagus. Saya suka sekali mendapat jamur bagus. Nomor 10, tanah subur itu cocok untuk menanam jamur. Tanah subur itu cocok untuk menanam jamur. Nomor 11, semua memilih bubar dan kabur ke rumah. Semua memilih bubar dan kabur ke rumah. Nomor 12, Bunda saya memakai konde besar. Bunda saya memakai konde besar. Nomor 13, unta itu berteduh di bawah tenda biru. Unta itu berteduh di bawah tenda biru. 14, bisakah Anda memberitahu sandi Anda? Bisakah Anda memberitahu sandi Anda? 15, dia makan di jalan karena sudah pikun. Dia makan di jalan karena sudah pikun. Well, so that's all the reading for this week, the reading tutorial I mean. So you can use this video to help you to read in case if you don't know how to read, okay? And don't forget to send your videos to our WhatsApp group so we can check your videos. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.